Hello to my YouTube family. Welcome to my channel Hetal Beauty Studio. Do you know henna? Henna, it's not only to apply that on your hand to draw a design, but you can apply that in your hair also to smooth, shiny your hair. I will show you what you can do and how you can do. It will make your hair silky, smooth, shiny plus natural color. So let's begin. Depending on your hair length, you take the henna powder. Here I have take around 1 cup of henna powder, as you can see. After that, we can add coffee. Yes, coffee. You can add 2 or 3 spoons of coffee. It will give you super nice color, like shaded kind of color in your hair. And after that, instead of adding water, we gonna add chas, which is basically mixture of yogurt and water. After that, we're gonna use extra virgin oil. If you do not have olive oil, you can use any kind of oil. Coconut oil will work as well. Mix all the ingredient very well. Once you mix it, then leave it overnight. I would suggest that 1 overnight will be good enough instead of leaving it for 2-3 days. Make a smooth paste by mixing and stirring very well. That make sure there is no lump left. Recording this with one hand, so I cannot do it. So after off of the camera, I mix it and you will see how nicely it mixed. See, I did not leave any lumps in that. It's so smooth. I will leave as it is overnight, and then tomorrow morning I will apply that in hair. In morning, if you see if it's very thick or anything, you can sure add little bit of chas again, which is the water and yogurt mixture. Make sure you do not make super liquidy that it will be dripped when you are applying in your hair. So the texture has to be like this. See, next day this is the texture that what I get. At this point, if you think it's little thick, then you can add water or chas. Now I'm gonna prepare the hair. Make sure your hair is detangled and clean. I'm gonna wear my hand gloves and then partition the hair in 4 strands or 4 parts. I will start to apply the henna from the center, as you will see in the video. I personally prefer in the center, so that's the way we can cover all of the hair and nothing is left. Plus, it's very secure as well. I start from root to end and cover every single hair from the strand that I have it on my hand. And then tie that up in the center, and the rest of the hair I'll take a small part and cover it in the center. You will see how I do it in the video. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please go ahead, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. Please try that out and comment me below how do you like this trick. If you do it like this, your henna will not drip and you will not make any mess. And plus, combination of henna, coffee, yogurt, olive oil, at the end your hair will be so soft, smooth, nourished, shiny. And because of the coffee and henna, you will get real nice combinations color, like natural hair color that you are doing without any chemical. Please do try this trick out and let me know how do you like it. Also, applying a henna from the center, it will be helpful as well, that you will not miss any of the hair strand. Once I apply henna all over the hair, I will keep the henna in the hair for at least 2 hours, not maximum more than 2 hours. That's what I would suggest. Especially if you have a dry hair, then do not apply henna too much more than 45 minutes. But if your hair is oily, then 2 hours is okay. Or your hair is in normal case, then also 1.5 to 2 hours is fine. But again, if your hair is dry, please do not keep henna in your hair more than 45 minutes. After you're done applying the henna in your hair, you can wash it out regularly, how you do it, shampoo and conditioner. And for a best result, what I would suggest that apply a hair oil, any kind of hair oil that you will prefer, you will like. Apply it in your hair, leave it for overnight, and then wash it out next day. And after that, oh my god, you will see the result. Do you see how I'm making a circle for every single strand? You can continuously doing like that. I'm taking like literally small part from all four part that what we had done before, and then applying the henna from roots to the end and applying to all entire strand, and then make it in a circle. So that's the way it will be secure very well. If you apply a henna like this, it will be very easy. Henna actually nourish your hair, give you a softness and the shininess in your hair. If you continuously use the henna like this pack, you can technically use like once in a 3 month, that will be fine also. See how I have secured all the hair in one circle. I started in the center, and then I'm continually following the same pattern. Once you're done applying the henna in your hair, secure the circle very well. Whenever you do any kind of hair mask, I always mention that never leave it as it is. Always cover it with a shower cap. And if your hair it's more, as of you see it over here, I'm gonna secure this with 2 shower cap. I'm gonna use my second shower cap to secure it very well. And after 2 hours, going to wash out the hair, and you will see the result after that in the first wash. I prefer to use a second shower gel cap just for the safer side. I mean, you don't have to use it, but I usually do it with 2, so just for a secure way and safer side. And it's all set. After 2 hours, we will check you back. And here it is after 2 hours when we wash the hair. This is what the shade that we got, and look at the softness, oh my god. And of course the smell is so amazing. But look like how soft, silky and shiny this is look. And this is without even putting any hair oil. So imagine putting the hair oil and wash it out on the next day. You will be amazed with the result. You should really try this trick out. And then comment me below how do you like this. See you next time. Until that, bye.